Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get set up with VybeCoding. So make sure you're on the same network as your computer. So you can see I've got 0 tier here, which I can use anywhere, but then I've got another one that I can use on the same network. So as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, then you can run it. Now you just make sure at the bottom, if you see this image, if you have general and remote login checked, then you'll just be able to enter your username and password, and then you'll just be able to SSH into a computer. Okay, so when that's done, you can then open this up. Now I've got the desktop app running on the on my Mac computer, and it picks up all my previous sessions. So I've got all these sessions saved, so I don't lose any Claude sessions, and I can come back to them whenever I want. So let's just load up one of these sessions here. So this is just an app I've been working on. It's just a basic news translation app called World News Translate. You can come ahead and then you can just go ahead and build the project. Now I've gone straight into a Claude session here because I've clicked the VybeCoding button. So let me just show you this in a minute. I'll just wait for this application to build. So what it's doing now is it's basically interacting with the desktop app on the Mac computer, and it's basically running Xcode for me. So it's running Xcode, it's initiating the build, and then it's going to fire that build off and send it to my phone. So I don't need to go anywhere, I don't need to move, and I can just view the build like directly from my phone. So just give it a second for it to do. So this is because it's running first time. It takes a while to load, but you can see it's loaded. And yeah, it's just a news translation app, and then you can just change it to different languages. And then I've just got a whole breakout conversations, and so just thinking like a WhatsApp kind of style app basically. So anyway, enough about that, just been vibe coding that kind of stuff in the past. So what you can do as well is we've got a little folder here. It creates a vibe coding workspace. We can add a new workspace, and we could call this WhatsApp. I was going to build like a WhatsApp replica, but it can be anything you want. Okay, so, I don't want to do that in that session. Let me just close that. We're actually in the news translation session, so let's create a new terminal. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new session, and we'll call this WhatsApp, and we'll just build a WhatsApp clone. Okay, so that just goes off. Like I said, create a new project. It's already created. We did it in the last one, but we'll just CD into it. So when we CD into it, we can choose our AI model. So we can choose Claude, Codex, or Copilot for now, but I'm sure there'll be hundreds of other ones coming up. So we can trust this folder, and we can just literally just say Claude. I don't need to put Claude. Just build me a WhatsApp. I'll just put clone. Okay, so what it will do, just literally goes off. It will build an amazing WhatsApp clone that you wouldn't think would be that good, but it will build something amazing. And when that's built, then you can go ahead and you can just build it. It will just say, it'll ask us loads of questions, probably go into plan mode. We can plan some stuff out. So we can use a monolithic approach where we can have like an API, a website. This is what I've been doing, having an API, a website, a desktop app, a mobile app, and an Android app, because you can build everything native. So this is just going to ask us what we want. So it's going to build us something with Tailwind, and then we'll just put, I don't know, we can just go through some of these settings basically. But yeah, that's just a quick overview. Go off, build some cool stuff,